Simple interest day 2. Your homework is going to be evens, front and back. What are evens?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14.
Perfect. Okay, so make sure you do evens, front and back.
And miss, I don't think you should come to the office. You don't want to get the students sick.
Well, guess who got me sick?
Jaden.
Okay. ¿Ajo?
Sí, ajo. ¿Le va a quitar? Es una sesión de abuelita. Pero mamás que sí van a llorar. Eso sí se la aseguro.
All right. So, hard. Level hard. Okay. Level difficult.
Oh, no.
No, I mean, there's just one little part that makes it harder. I'll tell you in a second. Okay, so in your yesterday we did interest equals PRT, right? What does the principal stand for? What does principal stand for?
Money.
The money.
And then percent, and then years.
Very good, Marley. Good job. Good job.
I knew that.
Time in years. So very good. Okay. So Marley, take the compliment. Don't ruin it. Okay. So today we're going to be doing the same thing, a little different. Let's see if you can figure out what's the difference between yesterday and today. I borrowed $1,000 for 6 months at a rate of 12%. How much will I owe? Okay, let's write that down.
Is anything different?
Well, at this point, you should be able to see what's different, but if you don't, it's cool.
I don't know.
Oh, how do you spell I always misspell this word. Okay, what's different?
The month? 6 months instead of like over a year.
Exactly. So, okay. So the formula that Marley reminded us of was in years, right? But in this problem, it says 6 months. So when I'm doing it on the calculator, can I just type in 1,000, 12%, and just type in 6? No, because if I just type in 6 on the calculator, what does that mean? What does that 6 mean? Years. Did it take me 6 years to pay this? No. So, well, we'll talk about this. Okay, so interest is equal to PRT. Okay, how much money?
1,000.
Okay, write that down. 1,000 times, what's my rate? I love that. 0.12. Love how you guys already turned it into a decimal. Now, 6 months. So what if it was 11 months? What if it's 12 months?
1 year.
And 1 year? What about 11 months?
0, 1, 1.
That's less than 6 months in your math,
You put the days.
right? Do you see how now it doesn't make sense? Cool. That's where I wanted you to be. So, because if you tell me If you tell me it's 0.6, good. And then you told me 11 was I think you said it 0.01 or 0.11 for. Okay, but what has a higher value, 0.6 or 0.11? 6. But what is more time, 11 months or 6 months? 11, but you just made it worth less. So that's not good, right? 1.1, if it's 1.1, what's 12 months? A year. But now you made 11 months longer than 1 year if you tell me it's 1.1, right? So that doesn't make sense either. So what is it? I haven't heard the right answer. I've been trying to prove you guys wrong, which I hope you realize, like, oh yeah, that doesn't make sense. Okay, math is not that easy. We can't just put 0.6 because our months out of 10. Are there 10 months in a year? No. How many months in a year? 12. Okay. So Axel, how many months in a year? 12. So let's put the iPad away. Okay. So this would be what fraction? 6/12. Why is it 12? Because there's how many total months? 12. Okay, let's simplify this by dividing by 6. 1/2. Very good. So 6 months is 6 out of 12, which is really 1/2 when I simplified it. What is 1/2 as a decimal? So this is all equal to 0.5. Not 0.6, but 0.5. Because think about it, 6 months is half a year. What's half? 0.5. So we need to take the phone away. That's the call. Your son is on his phone instead of paying attention to the teacher. So put it away. Unless you want me to call. Okay. So on the calculators, we're going to use the calculators to type in 1,000, 0.12, and 0.5. Not a 6, but a 0.5. Yes.
I know what 11 months is in the decimal.
What is it?
According to my calculations, it's 0.9167. Search it up.
0.916, yeah.
I'm so smart. I did that in my head.
Totally. Okay, so type it in. All right, so interest is equal to how much? $60. Okay, but how much will I owe in total? Just 60? No, because you still have to pay back what you borrowed. How much did I borrow? How much did I borrow? 1,000. So this is step number 1. Now step number 2 is your total. No. ¿Cuánto es esto? En total? Daniel? Yeah, not 1,600. Okay, so our total would be 1,000. That's how much we borrowed. Plus 60 is your interest. So 1,060 would be your total. So last night I was thinking about like, hey, I talked about credit cards. I'm like, well, how much interest does my credit card charge me? And I looked it up. And according to, I know. Well, no, I'm not that dumb. Okay. So, it's a little blurry. Maybe you should be able to kind of make it up. So, here is my annual percent rate. So, this is my rate. It is 18.74. And then there's a V in parentheses. So, they're going to charge me 18% interest on anything that I don't pay back at the end of the month. So if I charge $100 and I don't pay it back, they're going to charge me $18 extra. So the iPad that costs $100 is now going to cost me $118. And then if I don't pay it the next month, it's even more. And they'll charge you interest on the interest. V stands for variable. That means 1 month it could be 18, and then the next month it could be 30. It's up to them. They decide. I don't decide. So variable means the interest rate will fluctuate. So number one thing, when you guys get credit cards, when you're older, Daniel, make sure you pay them off. And if you can't, that means you're spending too much money. Don't spend too much money. Only buy one pair of shoes. Okay, let's do another one. Let's say you let your friend borrow some money. You got some Christmas money, you're going to let them borrow it. Okay? You're going to let them borrow $200. Okay? Well, the thing is that you're going to charge them an 8% in interest. Okay? So you're like, I'll let you borrow my birthday money, but I'm going to charge you 8%. Well, my birthday is Christmas, so it's the same thing.
Oh, me too.
Okay. Okay. So they said, Ruben, I'm going to pay you back real quick because they don't want to pay interest. I'm like, all right, cool. They pay me back in 3 months. Okay? So, Axel, I need you to write this down, not distract anybody. Look how he's still writing, even though he said I wrote it down. Okay. 8%. What is 8% written as a decimal?
0.08.
Good. 3 months. Is it going to be 0.3? No. Math is not that easy. What is 3 months as a fraction? Very good. 3/12. Let's simplify this by dividing by 3. Very good. Now in 7th grade, you should be able to look at 1/4 and know the answer right away. What is the decimal of 1/4? Huh? If you don't know, you can divide it. How many times is 4 going to 10? 2. 2 times 4? 4 times what gives you 20? So what is my decimal? Okay, so now let's do the math. Interest is equal to 200 times 0.08 times 0.25. Principal times rate times time. Type it in. What? Yep. So when you type all of this in, interest is equal to $4. Okay, cool. But how much is my friend going to pay me back in total? Now, it doesn't seem like a lot of money, but it's, hey, $4 extra. Buy a bag of chips for that. It's not a lot of money because it's a short amount of time, in 3 months. If it took them 3 years, it would be a lot more money. So depending on the time it takes you, more money. Well, make them sign a contract. Okay, cool. All right, so I'm going to give you some time for Dreambox in class. Now listen. Listen.
Yeah.
If you're not taking advantage of giving you, Sebastian, class time, and that means that no one's going to get class time. And we're not going to have these extra like 10 minutes ever to do Dreambox. So take advantage. It only takes one student to ruin it. Aprovechen. Si no aprovechan, no va a haber ningún tiempo para nadie. He didn't do anything when I gave him time.